Toby, sit. Toby, sit. Sit. Toby, sit. Stay. Stay. Stop. Toby, trust me. Stay. 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 Sit. Toby. Toby. Sit. 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 Toby. You're annoying. You gotta sit. You gotta sit. Toby, it's not sitting. Sit. Sit. Toby, sit. Toby, sit. Sit. You're annoying. We're still working on it. Toby, are you excited to see Alexis? Excited to see Alexis? Alexis? He's not giving me the response I want. You're just being difficult today. Is this the place, Toby? Are we here? Did we make it? Are we here? Did we do it? I think he's excited. Can't tell. Are you excited or nervous? You might be nervous. Alright, I'm gonna drop the dog off and then I'm going golfing. So I'll see you guys on the golf course. Alright, it's been a tough outing already. I've already lost 3 balls and I'm only on hole 2. Plus, I don't know how I feel about this hat. That wasn't bad. We're on the green. I think it's time to have some fun. Get out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Everybody go. Everybody go. Ah! Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop. Other times, you get lost and you can't find your ball. I found it. Oh yeah, now we're back on course. We picked up the dog. You had a good day at the groomer. We had a good day at golfing. Learned a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thought this game was supposed to be relaxing.